Good day to you. Do you still remember my KDK K14X5 fan that after installation it wobbles a lot? Can you see that wobbling there? I found the solution and it cost me only 50 cents. Introducing the remedy to fix a wobbling ceiling fan. Here it is. If you have an unused fridge magnet, the thin flexible ones, these are the ones to use. Firstly, you have to switch off the fan, make sure that it doesn't spin and it won't cut off your head or neck. And what you do is, since you wouldn't know which blade affects the wobbling, so you take any random blade and put on the fridge magnet onto it. Here's how you do it. And since the blades are made of metal and you just position the magnet, it will stick onto it very well. Next, after you have made sure that the fridge magnet sticks to the blade very well, switch on the fan and look at the blade. Have a monitor whether the wobbling ends. And if it doesn't, it's time to shift to another blade. Take out the fridge magnet from the first blade and look for the second blade and put it on like the way that I showed you just now. Keep on repeating the same steps until you found the right blade that you put on the fridge magnet. Trust me, you will find the right blade. And when you have found it, just put 2 thumbs up. And here's a zoom in of the fan that I've just repaired. It doesn't wobble at all. There you go, the fixing of a ceiling fan to take out the wobbling, and it cost me only 50 cents.